So you want to install Visual Studio Code for programming? Well, I have the solution for you. You have to go to the link on the description and press download for Windows. So the download will be starting right now. And when it finishes, you have to open the installer. So I'm going to wait, double click, and wait to a screen appear. Press accept the terms of and service. Next, pick where you want to install this. I'm going to install it in another disk, so I'm going to press this disk, programs. Okay, next. So we have to make a desktop direct access. Next. And now that the installation has been completed, you have to press this check here, finish, and Visual Studio Code is going to open right now. Okay, so here we go. So we here can create new files. I'm going to create a new text file and select, for example, C++, and I can write code here, but that's not everything. You can go to extensions, and here you will find a lot of popular extensions like, let me see, live server to start a live server in your browser, IntelliCode to get assisted writing code, and even themes. I have a lot of themes here. Let me see. I'm going to install this winter is coming theme. And here, as you can see, my theme has changed. I have very different options. So I write winter is coming. Okay, so here it is. I have a different theme. We can download very useful extensions and write code comfortably. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next video of Easy Way. Goodbye.